Because you are the speaking spirit. You are not the dumb spirit. You have eyes to see. You have ears to listen. You have intelligence because you are the living God. You are the uncreated creator. You are the everlasting Father. There is no one like you. 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 We are yielding to you, Baba, to direct us. Each and every step of our lives is being ordered by God. Baba, siamonga, situmuele. We are crying out, Kadosh. We are crying out, Kadosh. We are in trouble, but you are Kadosh. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Baba, ukona yetwa, ozo evangelisa, esa ni swino na lisirako, obusikia selo na mtanje, siela mugela mechi zetu, siela mugela na imondo zetu, siela mugela Baba, adishinali na kamatu wetu, aditeli zitendo, esizojabulisa wena Baba, esizojabulisa nathi umngcwabo wethu. Siyabonga Baba, egameni likaJesu waseNazaretha. Siyabonga Baba, egameni likaJesu. Siyabonga Baba, siyabonga, siyabonga Baba. Sithi there is no one like you. Egameni likaJesu waseNazaretha. Sithi there is no one. Sithi there is no one. There is no one like you. There is no trouble. In the name of Jesus, there is no medical report. In the name of Jesus, there is no temptation. In the name of Jesus, there is no demon. In the name of Jesus, there is no principality. In the name of Jesus, in the name of Jesus, there is no spiritual wickedness. In the name of Jesus, there is no devil. There is no Satan. In the name of Jesus, we are the great God. We are the wonderful God. We are the great I am. You live in the corridors of fire. In the name of Jesus Christ, no man has ever approached you and remained the same, because you are the life-changing God. In the name of Jesus Christ, we are walking in victory. We are walking in power. We are walking in the total dominion, because greater one that is in us than the one who is in the world, than the one who is in our workplaces, than the one in the name of Jesus Christ. We say bonga, Baba say bonga, Baba say bonga, say bonga. Egameni likaJesu waseNazaretha, egameni likaJesu waseNazaretha, egameni likaJesu waseNazaretha. Sibonga
phakathikithe ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uNkulunkulu ongekudala, uNkulunkulu wethu namandla, sothi nxa siqhamuka bese kuyabuzakala ezulwini ukuthi ngobani laba. Baba wethu namandla, khona kusinikeza ithemba lokusivuselelayo ukuba sihlangene kule ndawo. Ngelinye ilanga siyohlangana ekhaya la siyobe celebrate khona. Abanye bayabe bebuza bathi kufa lobhudosi lwakho, abanye besulwa inyembezi, abanye besulwa inhlupheko, abanye besuthiswa endleleni, abanye bedumisa bethi bayede. Sisho sikude singakafiki esibabeni somkhosi, sibona inkazimulo yakho, sibona amandla sibambasi uNkulunkulu wethu. Siyobe sisho ngenjabulo, sibheke imihuzuko, sibheke ukushayeka, sibheke ukwahluleka, kodwa bese siyahlabelela, sithi bayede usikhasi uNkulunkulu wethu. We can wait, Baba wethu namandla, ukuba mehlaka khanyisa ubuso bethu. Ezibilini zethu kuvuka injabulo, kuvuka ukuthuthumela, ukuthi ngelinye ilanga Baba sizobonana nawe. Ngelinye ilanga siyohamba ey'khathini zegolide. Ngelinye ilanga siyohlangana noPetro. Ngelinye ilanga siyohlangana noJohane, abafakaza bethi ngiyambona ngisesithebeni sasePatmos. Bayethe uNkulunkulu wethu